Yo, it's Al Wu with the shoe. You already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Welcome. Those that are returning, I really want to say thank you. Bottom of my heart. Now, we're doing this shoe review, the Jordan 11 Cool Gray, in which I think these are the best cool gray collections of the Jordan. You got that cool suede. This suede is cool as the name of the shoe. And they also give you that patent leather gray going all across it. When you look at these thick rope laces, they give you that old school Jordan 11 vibe. Now, it's plush, gray insoles, and it has an icy blue, light blue bottom. And it's giving you that carbon fiber shank plate for support. TPU heel for support. This shoe right here, to me, is the grail when it comes to the Jordan 11s. Do you like these over the Concords, the Breads, or the Space Jams? To me, that's the Mount Rushmore of Jordan 11s. With this shoe, it was released holiday season 2021. This shoe right here has a low top version. But when you look at this, it just stands out way better. It has that nice gray Jumpman going across the back with 23 embroidered. This shoe is a fire shoe, man. Add it to your collection if you didn't have it. Well, another thing about it here is you get the Jordan 11 box that looks similar to the 9s and the 10s, but it gives you the same matching colorway as the shoe. Whenever I wear these, it's a head turner. Look at that suede. Once again, I cannot stress how soft and plush this suede is. When I wear this shoe, I get heads turned. So, Al Wu with the shoe bring you that constant fire, man. Tell me, which Jordan 11 is the GOAT? I'm gonna go with Cool Gray 11s. That's my pick. I think that it has a cool colorway that goes with anything, and out of all the color grades, it's cool. I think this is better than the Cool Gray 3s, Cool Gray 4s, or the Cool Gray 6s. Al Wu with the shoe. Yada mean. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So, subscribe. Al Wu with the shoe.